But that's what I'm saying is Declan, he's really submissive if you're going to take control of it. It's those dogs that don't that he humps.
Oh yeah, now we've got two boys just humping each other. I wasn't sure on that actually. I don't know what that's all about, but it was fun. Venus, Venus, and Clover. Don't start stuff. Oh. Well, and we rolled Declan in something. Yeah. Hopefully mud. Possibly food. Nice. Coming back? Come here.
Declan! Hey!
Alright, you're good now.
There was a girl that peed up there, I guess.
I probably peed my button. I don't know what we got on Declan's leg.